Belle. Love you.
Wait lang, baby. Wait lang.
Okay.
To ask, Don Bell, alam natin, may level up na nangyayari, of course, in terms of the show. Pero, is there also a level up in terms of your friendship and your stance as a love team?
Ay, naku, Edward.
You know, tell us about it, guys. Meron ba?
Hindi, syempre mas naging close kami ni Belle. Mas lalo na after he's into her. Diretso kaming movie, Love is Colorblind. So, I'm just so comfortable with her. And I'm super grateful that I get to work with her on another project. He's into her too. Season 2.
Alam niya yan? Alam niya yan? I got to spend this journey with Donnie as well. Obviously naman, I feel like anyone in our position naman, talaga kapag lagi mo kasama sa lock-in, talaga magiging ka-close mo.
May in love ka talaga.
Ha?
Wala, sorry. Go ahead.
Ayun.
Alright.
Pero alam mo, Edward, kasi...
Kinat mo ko eh.
Ay, did you want to say anything more?
No, it's okay ba?
Okay, I'm sorry.
Kasi nakikita nila sa cam, tayo nakikita natin inches away. Iba yung glow ninyong dalawa.
Yep.
Bakit? O, tinan mo, si Direk Chad sabi niya, kita mo din, Direk, iba yung glow up, no?
Siyempre, no?
Bakit?
Syempre kasi happy kami sa premiere night kagabi.
Yeah,
We're
fresh
still
from
in
the
a
premiere.
high from all the emotions that we
Yeah.
felt. Plus, they just said that it's the top-grossing KTX film already.
Wow.
We just want to thank you guys so much kasi first day pa lang, ganun na yung sinabi nila.
Yeah.
Thank you so much. We love you guys.
Congratulations.
I know your eyes in the morning sun. I feel you touch me in the pouring rain. And the moment that you wander far from
Or anything else, I just want to say, guys, there's so much hate going on. It's so easy to be kind to one another. So, let's just choose to be kind. As in, libre lang naman yun. Guys, let's not hate on one another. That's all.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Ipailugan nyo naman yung pagkaganyan nyo. You know, it's free lang po yung respeto, ganun.
Let's spread kindness and love.
O, malay mo, pupunta na bukas si Lord, di ba? Bababa na siya. Tapos, yung last niyong ginawa, nang bash kayo kay Belle. Bahala kayo dyan. Di kayo makakasama. Magtitrip kami sa langit. Sorry.
Okay, it's near. Going back.
Before anything else, Belle, I'm so proud of you kasi nagka-basher ka, you know. That proves that you are doing well. Ganon. Oo! You're doing well. You know, you are getting
Alam
the...
mo siya.